What's up everybody, I'm Jessie and I'm here in the Harley-Davidson garage. Today I'm going to show you a way to celebrate your patriotism and commemorate the 250th anniversary of the founding of the United States with this limited edition #1 medallion. It features a red, white and blue Harley-Davidson #1 logo with United States of America 250-year anniversary in the surround. The large medallion is designed to fit the Redline Collection Touring and Track Derby Covers, the medium size fits the Redline Collection Softail Derby Covers, and the small medallion fits the Redline Collection VVT Timer Covers and fuel caps. They are super easy to install with an adhesive backing. Check the website to make sure these products fit your motorcycle. For more information, head to harleydavidson.com or check with your local authorized Harley-Davidson dealership. That's it from me, your favorite Australian. I'll see you again next time.